Good morning, everyone. My name is Angie, and for me it is an honor to be with all of you today talking about a very interesting topic, the law of the pendulum. The law of the pendulum is about the extremes, joy and sorrow, success and failure, good and bad. The law of the pendulum is a mechanical law of nature, and we are also governed by it. So how does this law impact our lives? We have moments of great happiness and moments of sadness, moments of great abundance and of scarcity. And we can also see it in ancient cultures. There were moments where they flourished and then they collapsed. This law rules everything. And it also impacts our life. For example, if someone talks to us with kindness, we are fine. If they are rude, we get angry, because we are letting ourselves be carried away by this law. We do not have the balance, and we are continually dragged into extreme inner states. For example, we receive good news and get super happy, but then we receive bad news and feel angry or depressed. Someone says, "You earned a promotion, you're going to earn a better salary." Of course the person gets happy, but when he receives bad news, right away goes to the other extreme and feels sad. The same joy we feel at one moment will be later on projected to its extreme opposite. We are not the owners of our inner states. So how do we set ourselves free from this law? For us to really obtain a balance and not let ourselves be carried away by the extremes, we have to understand that everything is dual, with two sides, like a coin. There are moments of great happiness and joy, and sometimes problems that can be terrible. And we can learn incredible things from those moments. Everything is useful for our learning. When something good happens, we get incredibly happy, but we don't learn much. Instead, when something bad happens, we have the opportunity to learn something new. And if we don't, it may happen again. For example, a person creates a company, and at the beginning it was going really well, but a financial crisis came and the business went bankrupt. So the person may fall into a state of sadness and cry. Or he might also say, "Well, I have to learn something from this. I can start all over again. I'm not going to make the same mistakes. I'm going to do more financial analysis, and I'm going to start all over again." Same with a family problem. If an argument broke out, we have to learn what role we play in it, to comprehend rather than taking revenge, to try and see what the event is trying to teach us. Everything is dual. Everything has positive and negative aspects. So, that is the idea, to reflect that life is about the duality of things. Learn from the events that happen in our life. We have to learn from everything that happens to us, and not fall victims of the circumstances. There is a saying that says, "He who laughs a lot, cries a lot," because he is getting carried away by the law of the pendulum to an extreme and will eventually have to go to the other side with the same energy as before. The idea is that we can and must enjoy life, but without letting ourselves be overwhelmed and carried away by that event, because then the other side will come with the same force, bringing extreme sorrow. So thank you very much for spending time today, and we will see you in the next video. See you soon.